Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a killer, over-the-top, SEMA-built 1962 Chevy Bel Air. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How we doing today?
Good. How are you?
Good. So what do we got, man?
From the bottom up, it's a one-off X chassis, Pro Touring, full Pro Touring, 9-inch, 6-piston, Baer brakes in the front, 6-piston Baer brakes in the rear, custom one-off wheels, 20 by 13s in the back. Custom stainless steel fuel tank, I believe it's 30 gallons. Everything on the car is one-off. The bumpers were custom made, all welded together, smooth, sent out, re-chromed, shortened, tucked. Lights, got digital pigtail lights. Custom panels welded into the deck lid. Custom panels welded into the hood. So the front hood retains the same dimensions and form as the back hood. What else? All the moldings were sent out. Black satin, all powder coated. Front bumper as well, pulled in, shortened, re-chromed, done. This is number 2 of the first additional 509 all aluminum Bill Mitchell motors. Inglese injection, still needs a tune. The car's about 85%, 90% done. It needs a little bit more love. 2 people started it and they just bailed out, just don't have interest in it. But it's an awesome car, it's killer. It's already there, it runs, it drives. It needs a little bit more love, like I said.
Yeah. A lot of body work, huh?
A lot of body work, a lot of modifications, a lot of everything. Custom hinges. When this car was built in '96, it was supposed to go to SEMA. The customer had some family issues, just never finished the car. As of now, current owner, getting a little bit old, just wants to build another car as well. Still too much for him to handle. So as you can see, custom interior, custom trunk, custom lights. No panel on this car was untouched.
2017 Corvette color.
2017 Corvette color. It's like a custom pearl. Goes from blue to like a purplish. A lot of metallic, a lot of pearls. Inside and out. Completely done. These some finished pieces, some finished panels. 4L60 tranny. Fully built. The bottom looks just as nice as the top. I think there was like 9 or 10, 11 leather hides to do this car. Jeez. Suede headliner. Everything.
On and on and on and on.
Yes, the list
LED
is
lights all the way around. Custom stereo.
Marquez reverse mirror. Custom stereo. Custom seats.
Wow.
It just needs someone to take it over
all the way back.
it.
That is magnificent. Jeez. Alcantara headliner. Color combo's killer too, huh?
Yeah, a lot of work, a lot of people, a lot of hands, a lot of things. AC, custom panels.
Tubulars. What is it, an Art Morrison chassis or is it a boxed original chassis?
No, so it's an aftermarket. It was one of the first chassis made for this car. I'm not sure of the name of it, but it's close to like an Art Morrison. I'm not 100% sure.
Okay.
It has a full 9-inch. It has the 31 spline. Has a true track locker in it. Got the coilovers in front. It's got a manual steering. Power steering assist. So it's got a rack and pinion in it. Correct.
Wow, rack and pinion too, huh? Smooth Firewall, custom.
This is a
inner
Walden
fenders.
Motorsports, built motor from Walden Motorsports. It's their first pulley setup like this.
Oh, wow.
It just doesn't stop. Billet hinges were out before Billet Specialties or any of them guys made them. So all of this stuff is all original. The hood needs to be completed. It's supposed to be a custom panel on it. Yep.
Okay.
But it's all there. All of the work is done. It needs a little bit more manual love.
So it needs a tune. It's got a fuel injection system on it.
Yes.
Looks like headers leading to 3-inch exhaust, collectors.
American Racing header, full exhaust, 3-inch exhaust, mufflers. That's all Borla. That was about $8,500. I mean, there was no expense spared on this car. Custom headlights. Anything you could think of was, touched on it. It's got AC under the dashboard, the master cylinders under the dashboard.
Wow, all smoothed out.
Yeah.
What kind of horse is this motor push
This motor
out?
made 580 to the tires.
580 at the wheel.
Yep, daily driver, runs on pump gas.
That's killer.
Just gotta find a good tuner, you can start driving it tomorrow.
Yeah, aluminum block, aluminum heads.
Aluminum block, aluminum heads, yeah, everything from Walden.
Man, there's a lot of money in this car.
$65,000 just in the motor.
What?
Yeah.
What? The motor is 65 G's
65
just
for the
alone.
motor, was 32 for the chassis. It was 6,100 for the transmission at the time when they did it.
Wow.
Rims and tires were $8,000. Brakes were $8,000, front and rear brakes. Drive shaft is all custom.
Yeah, those
Everything.
6 piston?
Gas tank, yep, 6 piston front and rear.
Wow.
Everything in it.
I don't think you'll ever see another one like this. That is for
That's
sure.
I wish the customer would have kept it to finish it, but
You know what? It makes it affordable for the next guy.
Yeah.
If this was finished.
family and health issues, he just wants to get out of it, and it's too much for him right now to finish. All the digital gauges. Let's see.
Love the leather wrap dash and everything. Kenwood stereo. There's your vintage air, power windows, custom everything. Smells like rich leather in here.
Brand new.
Man,
9500
look
in
inside.
heights.
It's just beautiful. Everywhere. Man, some car, man.
Love the color.
Colors, killer. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but it's
It's beautiful.
gorgeous. Exhaust runs out right on the side there.
Yep. 3-inch all the way out.
It's all mandrel bent too.
Full mandrel, bent up.
I love how you tucked in the bumpers.
I leave those bumpers front and rear are somewhere around 15,000 with labor and everything, you know what I mean? And then re-chroming,
LED tail lights.
LED tail lights, digitails.
Oh, they're the digitails.
Yep,
The digitails, I think, are consecutive, right?
correct.
Yeah.
Sequential when you put them on, yep.
Sequential. Wow,
See the
man.
hood? Trunk matches the front.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Extensive hours.
Jeez, look at that. What he means is it matches the front
Correct.
hood.
Which a lot of people know on these cars, they're both custom made.
Killer. Wow. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. And thanks a lot for joining us today.